Yukichi Fukuzawa, best known for his depiction of the Japanese 10,000 yen bill, was an important figure who contributed deeply to the spread of Western culture in Japan. Today, we would like to introduce 3 of Fukuzawa Yukichi's amazing quotes.
Number 1. Life is like a play. A good actor can become a beggar, and a bad actor can become a lord. In any case, we should not take life too seriously, but rather, we should be single-mindedly devoted to everything we do. If you find something you are passionate about, you should focus on that. If you don't find it, that's okay. Enjoy life and keep looking for it. Number 2. Those who lack the will to be independent always ask others for help. Those who ask others for help always fear others. And those who fear others always bow down to others. Sometimes it is necessary to ask for help from others. But it is more important to try to do something on your own first. Number 3. Today, too, is a day of a lifetime. Many people worry only about the future. However, today is also a day in one's life. I would like to cherish this day more.
Thank you for watching. Did you find your favorite quote? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video.